In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option illustrating the animal which is not viviparous. Further, let me specify the oviparous animal so that we can understand the wrong option, the correct option. Why we are ignoring option A, C and D? Because they are all viviparous animal, unlike platypus which is oviparous animal. With this specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark. What are the points we told with this pictorial representation and the option rejection and acceptance that we are giving as a detailed narrative sentence to take the NEET notes for future reference? Platypus is not viviparous. It is a connective link between reptile and mammalians. It displays characteristics of mammals including hair, diaphragm, single aortic arch, and mammary gland. Its big caracoid in the pectoral girdle and its ability to deposit egg with a yolk and shell are the characteristics of a reptile. Elephant, whale and bat are viviparous. They give birth to offspring. With this specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option A, C and D.